Hello everyone and welcome back to Shalom EduWeb. During past few days I was very much involved in my office work, and doing so I realized my personal life was deeply hampered. And all this happens with everyone these days. Now this situation made me crave for a solution to it. So I started reading a lot about how to cope up with situations like these. While going through different sources of information, I read about the concept of brain science that can help us manage our time. It made real sense to me, and that's what I will share with you all in next few minutes. So let's get started. While struggling to maintain a life-work balance, we often tend to neglect our friends, families, reading time, writing time, exercises, and they all become victims of our busy schedule. To find a solution to our problem, we often read or hear about time management tips, isn't it? Yes, we do that very often. But what is time management? It's basically all about a clear and organized mind. We often read or listen to those tips without even understanding the logical reason behind them. There is brain science behind time management, and it sounds really interesting to know how our brain works for a productive life. So let's have a look and understand the connection between our brain and time management tips. First tip of time management is prioritize your work, and we often struggle with setting our priorities right. Prefrontal cortex of our brain is actively involved in a lot of functions including prioritization. It requires a lot of logical connections to prioritize our work. Our brain has limited power supply, and complex tasks like prioritization consume a lot of energy. But practice can do wonders here. The more you practice, easier it gets, because practice will install those logical connections in the basal ganglia region of our brain, which stores information for a longer time. Therefore, if we make a to-do list first thing in the morning on a regular basis, it will definitely help us grow better at prioritizing our work. With continuous practice, it will get easier and easier to manage our daily routine. Another time management tip is visualizing your work. But why? Why is it important to visualize your work? The reason is visual attention basically increases the efficiency of signaling into the brain's cerebral cortex region. Next question that hit our mind is, how can we visualize our work? I think it is always a good idea to make a flow of work events that are to be performed, and also illustrating connections between interconnected tasks. This will definitely help us visualize our day-to-day plan of work and help us keep a track of them. Next time management tip is take a break. Yes, you heard it right. Taking breaks is still considered a taboo in our work society. But brain science has logical reasons to it. Basically, our brain works in two modes. One is learning or focusing, and the other mode is consolidation. The theory of our brain working in two modes has a rhythmic pattern. Focusing on a particular work for 75 to 90 minutes and then taking a break of, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes will help the brain to consolidate the information and maintain it in a better way. That is why focusing on a challenging work for continuously 90 minutes in the morning before taking a break can do wonders for you. So this was about brain science behind time management. If I have to summarize the whole video, I would say just keep three things in mind. Prioritize your work, visualize day-to-day plan, and definitely take a break. This will help you in longer run and you will surely succeed. So guys, do share your thoughts on time management in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe Shalom EduWeb and stay connected for more updates on science in our day-to-day life. Thank you.